Welcome to video number 1 of the 30-day Etsy Hacks Challenge. I am super excited about this challenge because for the month of September, I'm going to be providing you guys a video every single day for the next 30 days. And the video is going to be anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes long, and it's going to show you an Etsy hack. And these hacks will help you with time management. It's going to help you increase your Etsy sales and overall get more comfortable within the platform. So at the end of the 30 days, you'll have a lot of new things that you have learned, a lot of actionable steps that you could take to help you scale your business to the next level. So whether you are new on Etsy, maybe you're thinking of starting an Etsy shop, or maybe you're even a seasoned seller, I'm guaranteeing you that by the end of the 30 days, you're going to learn 1, 2, or maybe a couple new things. Make sure that you keep an open mind. You might come to one of the videos and be like, I already knew that. I'm not going to watch the rest. Make sure you watch all of them because the next hack might surprise you. It might be something that you really didn't know, right? Or that you never really noticed. So make sure that you watch all the way through. I promise that I'm going to provide as much value as possible on every single video. And what I ask of you guys is that if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. And every single video that I create for the next 30 days, please like the video, please leave a comment and share. So let's go ahead and get started with hack number 1. All right, so here we are on my Etsy store. This is my smaller store that I use mostly for tutorials online. And today I'm going to show you how to look at people that have favored your store and see what other things they're favoring online and how to use that information to kind of refine your target audience. So if you go on the bottom down here, you could click right here where it says admires. And if you click right there, it's going to give you a list of every single person that either favored your store or favored an item in your store. And if you go here, as long as they have this open and they don't have it set as private, you can actually see all the things that they have favored on Etsy. And what's great about this information here that you might ask yourself, like, why is this important, is that you could really get to know this particular person. If you start looking at different people that have favored your store, that should actually help you with your audience profile. So if right now you have not niched down, you don't understand who is your target audience, you have no idea where to start, you have no information, this is enough information to kind of get the ball rolling. And you can actually get a lot of information from this person by just looking at the things that they're liking, and you could kind of make an audience profile of this person and then look at other people and keep refining until you build an audience profile. Now, keep in mind that your target audience, especially in the beginning when you're first starting, is always going to be changing. You're always going to be refining it until you know exactly who is your target audience, from what income they make, what age bracket you want to, market to. Is it more males? Is it more females? Do they work from home? Are they a single mom? Are they a CEO of a company? It depends on your products, obviously. It depends on the niche that you're in. But this will give you a lot of information about that person. So for instance, this person, they like a lot of like stones. They like, as you can see, a lot of plants, right? So they like anything outside pretty much. They have these inspirational rocks, so they're very inspired with inspiration. They have these bumblebee painted rocks. They have these necklaces and pendants that have trees. They have these beautiful mandalas. They have more rocks here. So they're really in touch with earth and stuff outside, right? And they also like, as you can see, like crystals and anything with like, this is really cute, like a spell jar. And they have like ritual candles. So you could tell a lot by just looking at this person's history of what they're looking at. Even down here, you could see they have business planners that they have light. They have craft planners, so they're crafty as well, right? That's another thing that you could say about them. They like these journals that are manifesting journals for morning and evening. They like these trackers to track their habits. So as you can see, they're trying to live a well-balanced life. They like going outdoors. They're very outdoorsy. So this gives you a lot of information. And when you're building your audience profile, this will, definitely help you understand your audience a lot better. So I recommend that everyone, even if it's just once a week, you take the time to go through these different people that have favored your store, especially if you don't have an audience right now, if you don't know who is your target audience, and creating an audience profile based on the information that you're getting right here from these admirers that already have shown the interest in your products and services. So this is hack number 1. If you have any questions about this or anything that I mentioned, leave the questions right below this video and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I'll see you on the next video.